See, let us see now the document object model in the JavaScript. Okay. What is document object model? It's called as in short DOM model. It is so it is going to have the JavaScript is almost always used to interact with the HTML by using this document. Okay, document object model. So here this is an API. It is basically is an API that is going to be called as document object model in this. According to W3C, the DOM is defined as it's a platform and language neutral interface, okay, that will allow the programs and scripts dynamically access and update the content, structure, and style of documents. This is the definition of DOM. It says that platform and language neutral interface that will allow the programs and scripts to dynamically access and update the content, structure, and style of the documents. It is being given by the W3C consortium, and it is going to contain all those things whatever that has been said. So DOM object contains in the web page. So it is going to be in the form of tree structure that it is going to be there. So it is called as DOM tree. And the topmost object in that is called as DOM root. So this will be explained in the next slide. Okay. Now you understood what is DOM object. It is DOM is nothing but a document object model. It is an API. You can access that particular thing. Directly you can use that particular API to access the data. Now here you can see that this is a program. It is the document tree. It is going to be DOM tree. It is. Okay. So here this HTML program has been written with the HTML head, okay, title, metadata, and all these things is there. So you just consider in this particular program only the starting tags you consider it. So this the complete thing is called as document. So that is the document root is there here, you can see. Next is the HTML. Under the HTML, how many are there? So head is there, metadata is there, title is there. So head is there and body is there mainly. Okay. Under the HTML, head is there and body is there. Start tags. Then after that, body ends and HTML ends. Only two tags are there. So here these are the nodes. HTML is there. First is head and there is body. You can see the cursor movement over here. Under the head, meta tag is there, title tag is there. Okay. So you can see here again meta tag, title tag. So head and body are the siblings, the sibling nodes it is. Then under the body, there are so many things are there. H1 is there. Okay. Paragraph is there. Under the paragraph, anchor tag is there. Right. Now you can see under the body, first is H1 is there here, then paragraph is there, and anchor tag is there under that. Then after image is there next. Image. Only start tags that you consider in this. Okay, image is there. Under the image, nothing is going to be present, right? Then H2 is there, is here. Then after there is a division. In this division, we have the one is paragraph is there here, right? You can see paragraph. And in that inside again the time is there here. This time is been here. Divide div, then paragraph, then time. Then one more paragraph is there, so that paragraph is written. Div closes here. Again one more div starts. One more div is here. Again paragraph is there, time is there, then paragraph is there. So under the div, first paragraph, and under that time is there. The tags, then paragraph is. So this is way that you should write it whenever that examination if it is going to be asked. Okay, what you should do is first you should understand the document, that is nothing but a program, and the start tags only you consider it. So consider those start tags, just write step by step automatically you'll come to know that each and every steps in this. First is HTML, the head is there, body is there. Under the head, how many tags are there? You should write it. Start tags only. Under the body, each and every tags that you have to consider. For that, till end that you should go. Okay? Those steps that you have to follow it. And here one more thing it is being displayed in this, which are the parent nodes. In the bottom to up, whichever the tags that it goes, they are the parents. Child nodes means from the top to bottom, whatever the tags comes, that is called as child nodes. The nodes are there, child nodes are there, document root is there, siblings are there in this. Okay? Now, in the DOM, each element within the HTML document is called as a node. Okay? So it has been said here. Nodes are there, right? Saying in the DOM, each element within the HTML document is called a node. If the DOM is a tree, then each node is individual branch. There are different types of nodes are there. So element node is there, text nodes are there, attribute nodes are there. How this is getting differentiated in this? Let us see the example. Here is the example over here. So paragraph is there. The photo of the conservatory pond in anchor tag, H reference, HTTP. So this Central Park is there. So this is the path that is being given. This is a Central Park. Anchor tag closes here. Then paragraph closes. This one, all the element, text and attribute nodes have been discussed in this. So first is the paragraph, that is the element node. Then photo conservatory pond, okay, that is the text node. So this is called as text node, and anchor tag is there, that is the element node again, and within that H reference is there, that is called as attribute of this, because A is anchor tag and it is the element we can say. So for that the attribute is there, H reference, so that is the attribute node it is. And again this is a Central Park is there here, that is a text node. Clear? Understood? Okay. So in the examination you may get such type of examples. Element node, text node and attribute node. Okay. There are essential node object properties are there. There are so many properties are going to be present in this. Attributes. First is the attributes. Collection of node attributes. Then child nodes are there. First child. Okay. Child nodes are a node list of child does of this particular node. So under that, whatever that it comes, it is going to have child nodes. First child, that first child is going to be taken. Last child, okay. Next sibling of that particular node. Node name, okay. Node type, node values, okay. Parent node, previous sibling. So these things, from this you can able to understand what all things it is. Child nodes are there, parent nodes are there, siblings are there, nodes are there. Okay. So next node. See, this is the first node, right? This is next node. Okay. Again, next node you can have. So like this, you can have the operations of all these things, right? Document object, it is going to get represented again. The doc type it is. Document, a DOM document object is the root of the JavaScript element it is going to be, okay, entire HTML document. Then it contains some properties of the methods that will be extremely extensively it is going to be used for the development of the development, and it is globally accessed by the document. How will be going to access that particular document? Variable A, example it is being given, okay. Variable A, document.doctype.name. This is going to specify the doc type, then example, okay. Document.doctype.name can access. Another one, variable B, document.input encoding. So ISO standards will be there, so you can able to access by using that also. So globally you can able to access. Then there's a document object methods are going to be there, able to create the methods. So you can create the attribute, you can create the element, you can create the text node, you can create the get element by ID. So you can access that. attended by tag name. Now you can see